everyone! Today I'd like to share with you a little tip on the 9 sounds and 6 tones 9聲6調 in Cantonese. Well, I know having a tonal system doesn't sound good to most of you. So instead of explaining the minor details and differences behind, let's start off by practicing 2 simple sentences which could hopefully transform you into the master of the 6 tones in Cantonese. Alright, let's get started! The first one is 3碗半牛腩麵100碟3碗半牛腩麵100碟3碗半牛腩麵100碟3碗半牛腩麵100碟 And the second one should be super easy for those of you who have watched our previous tutorial on counting numbers in Cantonese. And that is 394 052 786 394 052 786 394 052 786 But wait, according to 3碗半牛腩麵100碟 or 394 052 786, isn't there 9 tones in Cantonese? Well, actually, because the last 3 tones, tones 7, 8, and 9, are entering tones, which are just the shorter version of the first 3 tones. In the Yuping system, they are combined as 6 tones instead. Here's a demonstration for you to listen and identify the minor difference. 100碟100碟786 786 Wait, no. If you find this part too confusing, don't worry. Just forget about what I've said and done in the last 30 seconds and practice with the shorter version 394 052 or 3碗半牛腩麵 and I believe that you will still be able to manage the 6 tones in Cantonese. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and if you want more Cantonese videos like this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it to your friends so our channel can grow. And if you want to join our occasional Cantonese or English live streams, please don't forget to hit the bell so you can receive the latest notification about the new updates. 好啦，遲啲再見啦，拜拜。